This is the moment I've been waiting for. I'm unboxing the first physical copy of the thriller novel I wrote and published. For the first time, I'm holding my one book in my hands, even though it had already been released and sold in the international market. Growing up, I was deeply inspired by thriller masters like Arthur Hailey, James Hadley Chase, Frederick Forsyth. Their stories shaped my imagination and planted a dream in me. A dream to one day write my one thriller novel. And today, the dream is no longer just a dream, it is here, in my hands, a novel I wrote, published, and shared with the world. It feels unreal, almost like becoming a millionaire, not in the money, but in achievement.